What is an appraisal? Hey guys, this is Alex Monaco with Remax InStyle Realty. So when you buy a home with a mortgage, and let's say you're putting down 10 or 20%, well, then the bank is putting down 80 or 90%. So they're putting in a lot more to the house than you are. So naturally, they want to make sure that they're making a good investment. And if something goes wrong and you're not making payments and they need to sell it, that they're going to get their money back. So they hire an independent appraisal company who's going to send out a licensed appraiser who's going to determine if the price you're paying for the home is what it's really worth. So let's say that you're buying the home for $400,000 and you're under contract. You applied for your mortgage. They're going to send the appraiser out, and the appraiser needs to say that the home is worth $400,000 or more. All right, and if that's the case, then all is good, and you're likely going to get the mortgage as long as everything else is good. But sometimes they say that the home is not worth what you're buying it for. And let's say they say, okay, the home is not worth 400,000, it's worth 390,000. Well, now you have a $10,000 difference that needs to be made up. Could be from the seller lowering the price, it could be from the buyer putting down more money, or it could be a mix of both. Maybe they meet in the middle somewhere. Okay, either way, the bank needs to be compensated for that difference, whatever it may be. So really, it's a simple concept. Of course, there's more to it than that. But if you're just a standard home buyer, really that's what you need to know. The more money you're putting down, the more likely the home is to appraise. If you're an FHA buyer and maybe you're only putting down 3.5%, the appraisal criteria may be a little bit more strict. They could also call out repairs. So sometimes the appraisal says in order for this to work, you need to fix this. You know, there's a patch that needs to be fixed. You need a railing that's, it's broken, or you need to replace it or put one in. Things like that. But really, that's it. Any more questions about an appraisal or anything related to real estate, you can always message me or visit my website at alexmonacorealestate.com.